How to use tags in Maybe. Starting in the Maybe platform, let's head to Settings. Scroll down the navigation on the left and select Tags. Contact tags are an important tool. They can be used to easily filter your contacts, as well as prompt several actions such as merging contacts, adding them to a workflow, or triggering an automated email follow-up. We highly recommend using tags. So let's head over to creating a new tag. Now give your tag a name. We are creating a tag here for our Help Center, which we will be able to use later to create an email workflow. Once you are happy with your tag name, select Create. After you have created your tag, it will appear in your tag list here. You can edit and delete tags from your tag list by simply clicking on the three dots. We have further videos that will show you how to use your tags in the Contacts feature and email flows.